Namaste friends.
Hello friends,
Welcome to our vlog.
Life with a Russian wife.
मेरा नाम इरीना
And my name is Amir.
and today we finally came to the Monument of Love.
And this monument is seventh wonder of the world, Taj Mahal.
Right, and it is so beautiful. This is so mesmerizing. We are going to show you everything because it got opened after 6 months of the lockdown. And finally, tourists are allowed to in and allowed to enjoy the beauty of this monument.
So let's not forget the chance. Right now we are going to Taj Mahal and
Wish us luck.
wish us luck, and we'll show you everything, how they are checking, what is the sanitization process, each and everything we'll show you in detail. So let's start.
Let's go. All hair spoiled, messed up. So we have to wear a mask. And we are ready to go.
So this is the entry where they are checking your temperature, and from here you have to enter. And in this area, you have to put your phone with your online ticket, and while scanning, you can enter from here. All right, now we're moving, and this area is for checking whether you're carrying some arms or not. They will check you completely. And after this, we have to move forward. And then finally, after all the checkups, we are going finally to the Taj Mahal site. So this is the new entry. When you come right now, you will find this route to go inside the Taj Mahal. And here we have entered the Taj Mahal. The area looks very clean. Very less tourists are here, and you can see in front these are all photographers are standing. And on the left side, you can see this is the another entrance, as Taj Mahal has three entrance: east, west, and south. And if you move on the right, so this is the main gate. After that, you can see the beautiful Taj Mahal. So let's check this gate inside. And finally, you can see the glimpse of Taj Mahal. Looks so beautiful. So friends, finally Taj Mahal is opened after 6 months of lockdown.
It was very long months for everyone because tourists were waiting when they can see the seventh world wonder of the world. The local guides, everyone from the tour industry, they were all waiting when finally the main attraction for the tourists will get opened.
So finally is opened, and they have to care of all these sanitization procedures. So whenever you will come, you have to sanitize completely. They'll have all the sprays. They are
Legs,
sanitizing
hands,
legs, hands, everything.
everything,
Yeah.
right.
And ticket right now is changed, so you have to buy online ticket.
Nothing is physical, no paperwork. You have to buy everything online. For foreigners, it costs 1,000 rupees. For Indians, 50 rupees.
50 rupees. And there is a catch: if you want to go to the mausoleum, which is white part of Taj Mahal, there you have to pay 200 rupees extra.
Right, so it does not matter whether you're Indian or foreigner, pay 200 rupees, doso or.
It's called the Monument of Love, and you can see the beauty of it. Today the weather is very nice, where you can see blue skies these days. Because of pollution, you cannot see this beautiful blue skies. And with that, the Taj Mahal looks so amazing. So I'll just show you the beauty of Taj Mahal and surrounding as well. So right now we are reaching the mausoleum part. As you know, Taj Mahal is a mausoleum, and you can see they have fountain as well. It's working very.
Luckily they're working.
Yes, luckily they're working.
And friends, during the lockdown, we see that the Taj Mahal was cleaned. Before it had a yellow shade, but now it is pure white, the same as it was built 400 years ago. It is really beautiful. Once you see it, you will feel like there is nothing more beautiful in the world than the Taj Mahal.
And see, they have maintained it so well. You can see the garden. The garden looks so green and nice, and beautiful flowers are there.
I think that the officials did not waste the time during the pandemic, and they really made this wonder of the world more amazing than ever before.
And it's a pretty huge structure. You can see they have polished it because it was quite yellow because of the factory pollution, but now it's all pure white. So whenever now you planning to visit to Agra, you definitely visit this place because it looks as fresh as new. And next to Taj Mahal, you see there are two structure. One is this one, and one is this one. So the one is used for mosque purpose, where people used to pray namaz, and another is for the identicality of the Taj Mahal, so that it will look identical from the top.
Friends, if you do not know the story of Taj Mahal, then I'll tell you a little bit of it. When the Taj Mahal was constructed, a lot of money from the government was already spent, but Shah Jahan wanted to construct the same pattern but of the black marble for himself. He wanted to make a copy of Taj Mahal for himself. Unfortunately, his son did not allow him to do so, and he has locked him in the Red Fort. You can see from here far away the Red Fort is there, and from the tower of the Red Fort, it was the only condition that he could see from the tower of the Red Fort the Taj Mahal, where his beloved wife was buried. So he was living till the end of his life in the small tower, which window was coming out to the Taj Mahal, to the monument of love, which he dedicated to his beloved wife. Friends, we are working here for almost 1 hour, more than 1 hour.
Yeah, we are working here for 1 hour.
And it's really hot today, although temperature is not high, but it is so humid. We felt a little bit exhausted. We decided to have a rest for a while.
Yes.
So what do you think? How is the Taj Mahal? Is it worth to see it? Because people think, what to see there is just one building. So what do you feel like?
No, definitely is worth to see because it does not get involved in top 7 wonders of the world. It's there because of its beauty, and you cannot see beauty in the camera. You definitely need to come here and see by yourself, because the kind of architecture it is very huge. You cannot cover in a camera.
And of course, whenever we are showing you Taj Mahal, it's just a small glimpse of it, because it's not allowed to show from inside the mausoleum itself. And there are many other places which you cannot just transfer through the video. So you must come and visit it by yourself and enjoy its beauty.
Right now we are enjoying the weather because today weather is very nice, and we decided to hire a professional photographer with us. So with us he is Mr.
Sushil Sagar.
And Sushil Sagar has clicked many of our photographs which are very professional. You can see on our Instagram page. We'll be uploading all these photographs. It's very professional, very nice. All the poses are excellent. So I will definitely recommend Sushil. And Sushil, you would like to give your phone number?
8650922118.
Yeah, so remember the phone number. So whenever you come to Agra, you contact this person, and I will definitely assure you, you will not get upset with the photograph. He's clicking very nice photograph, and you can see the samples in upcoming Instagram post. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching our channel, and keep loving us. Thank you. So friends, how you like today's vlog?
I hope you enjoyed our tour along Taj Mahal.
And you can see the beauty of Taj Mahal just behind us.
Really amazing.
Yes, and if you like our today's vlog, don't forget to press the
Like button.
and subscribe to our channel.
And do share with your friends, because we need your love and support.
Until then,
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
bye bye.